Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Another year has gone by and I'm sure we are ready to move on. Some had a pretty challenging time, while others had an amazing 12 months. Nonetheless, we want to leave it behind and embrace the new year. What's better than raising and clinking our glasses with a delicious beverage, like this one? In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my holiday punch. This cocktail is perfect for the event. With some bubbly and a nice blend of juices along with cognac, this is an easy and tasty drink to enjoy with friends and family. It's a great holiday recipe to have on hand. So my friends, let's get mixing.
To a large pitcher, we'll add orange juice. If you want freshly squeezed, go ahead. Then pineapple juice, cognac, either VS or VSOP, and simple syrup. Don't bother to buy it and make it from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll give a good stir and transfer to the fridge for 24 hours. The next day, we'll add very large ice cubes to a punch bowl. The reason behind this is the large ones won't melt as fast as the regular guys. Therefore, the punch won't turn slushy and will keep it cold longer. What I used to make them is this one, a silicone mold. Alright, so next, we'll pour in our chilled orange juice mixture, followed by champagne or prosecco, which is a nice sparkling wine from Italy, and finally, a small can of Sprite or 7-Up. This will give some sweetness to the punch. We'll stir very well and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our holiday punch. If you don't have a special drink in mind to serve your guests, this is definitely a great one to make. Celebrate the new year with this tasty cocktail. It's not only fruity and refreshing, but it also packs a punch. Like I always say, please drink responsibly. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!